Good afternoon. Let's trade some Bitcoin. If you're new, hit that like and subscribe button when we go live multiple times a week. Got NQ up right now. Been hunting a trade really. It's the one I wanted down here. Didn't get me. Let's get a little Bitcoin up. I haven't marked any levels yet. These are levels from last time we traded. Someone remind me that these are just evals and I can be a little more aggressive on them. Getting the links out on Discord now. This is a Warbux account. Once I hit a HUD, oh, Discord does not want to. Once I hit 100 subs, I'll start doing giveaways once a month. Well, Discord may be down because it's saying failed to load messages. See a couple people on, but I don't know if it came from Discord or not. I'll just start working on levels and we'll see. Bitcoin was pretty strong today. Yeah, that's that level we marked out and earlier, and it came right back to it. Stuck in this 4-hour fair value gap. Basically right off the equilibrium of it. Random. I'm going to quit Discord and try to reload it. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Looking like it wants to might continue up. Swept this into the fair value gap, pushing up. I don't know though. These 4-hour fair value gaps have been pushing everything down over and over again. Man, I am warm today. So beautiful out here. Got 60-degree weather. This looks like it wants to come down. See where this candle closes. Oh, I got 4 minutes. 3.5 minutes. Mixed signals. If that music's too loud, let me know. I've been trying to find a happy medium. I can hear it fine on my headphones. It's just when I get on my desktop and rewatch it, I notice that it's like non-existent. Maybe just desktop that's not working. No, I'm getting a download update here on Discord. Do it on the phone. Bitcoin's not doing anything fun right now. Just chopping. Desktop is still updating. Something happened with their desktop app. Another. Okay, here we go. Everything is on Discord. It's not, doesn't seem to be working. So if I accidentally spam the group, I apologize. Starting to get this reversal on NQ. Guess you got in on Asia's low for the day. You could have held it. This is how all these 4-hour fair value gaps have been running for months. Just rejection after rejection of them. Price action on NQ has been looking like that. Had a couple opportunities in here, but this is the one I wanted. It didn't come down for me. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. 1 second. Okay. I love how rando disconnects. Especially when you're about to enter a trade. Not that I was here, but it's happened before. This actually would have been a good one. Crap. There's 1 to 2. See, this is the problem though that's been happening is the RR has not been there for a lot of it. That's gonna come right to it now. Yeah, crap. That was a great one. And why was it good? We had a close below. Respected the 50% of this 15-minute candle. And then made another order block here. Changing the state of delivery. Stop above this because that should be protected, and then 2R. Yeah, 72 ticks of stop. That would have been a nice one. Crap. That's what I've been waiting for a while, actually. Thinking wants to come to this fair value gap or this wick here. So we have 10 minutes. Damn. I will wait for the retrace. I want to see Bitcoin close below here on the 15 if I'm going to get in short. So basically outside of the fair value gap. Basically the exact same play that was just happened on NQ. What's up, Busta? How's it going? What's up, Wild Juice? How are you? Busta, I think you caught this short, huh? This is the short that you're catching. The one I just missed here. Nice, nice, nice. This is a perfect continuation pattern. Nice, Busta. So you're almost there. It's a 150, right? So that's just it's a little baby trade. Little baby trade, you got it. This wick's gonna give us some trouble. I think that actually might be yeah, we're right about the 786. That's what I thought. There we go, it's going through it. It's funny, I wait for this all day. Took a break through here. Then it happens and I miss it. Isn't that part of trading though? I want this next 15 to retrace and I'll try to jump in. Hopefully it doesn't chop because this is a pretty good move down. Well, 60 points. I guess it wasn't a giant move, but it was a good enough move. See if Bitcoin wants to close and make an order block. Yeah, I think it's gonna go retest this area around. Is that the 1 minute fair value yet? Yep. It's also a 15-minute start of the 15. Would be nice if it closed below the previous day low here. And it came up, made the wick and drop down. Got two symbols that are doing the same thing. Watching the exact same thing on both these. It's kind of funny. One of those days again where all your levels hit, right? You know direction, and I just couldn't get in. I didn't like it at all. Being super cautious this week. Okay, I like that. Marking out. I'm just not marking out, but I'm looking about where the 50% of this candle's range is. Yeah. See, this continuation is not as clean as this one. This looks more choppy. See, I like what Bitcoin's doing here. liking this as a protected off this order block, but want to see it change state. So it could reverse here too, so I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see that change state for sure. Open this is forming the wick of this 15-minute candle. Kind of figured this is what was going to happen with this candle. It's just going to chop. Just had a nice move, smooth, nice move down here. There we go. There you go, Busta. Nice. Congrats. It's awesome. I won't ask how. So here. Nice. Somewhere in there. I'm selling here. Let's go. Oh, I have to modify. All right. I have one click on, but it doesn't work. There you go. $38 over. That's good. what sucks is like you're like $200 away from passing, and you think you give it enough room to have the fees, and then you're like $3 away from passing then, because fees brought you down under. Not a huge fan of this move, but we're gonna try it. Oh god, I forget that like there's always like $10 in fees too on top of this. These crypto props really take you to the cleaner on the fees, make believe fees. I don't want to watch this 15-minute. I don't know if I'm gonna hold this full. This actually looks like a better. And this could sound. See what it does there. Yeah, definitely don't want that. I want this fair value gap to hold. How's it going? Next up bust is a payout. I'm doing this. It shouldn't come back here. If it does. Yeah, this is what I was thinking, that it might reverse here. Because we have on this 15-minute here. My God, these are such little numbers. It's kind of funny. Little baby eval. Yeah, really, this is the 5-minute. Want this to be a breakaway gap, but it's holding. Yeah, I'm closing it out here. We'll let it chop here. And maybe re-enter. Sub Psycho. I think that's Anime World. Did I say that right? How are you doing? Yeah, where was I going here? So the trade idea is still good. So I can re-enter at any time. The continuation pattern shows. Should have had more faith in it. I thought it was going to bounce off that. It didn't. Third account, that's awesome, Busta. Oh, there's that bounce. What's the stats on passing evals? It's like I think it's 90% of traders do not pass, so 10% pass. And then only 2% get a payout. Okay, we took that off at the right time. It dipped a little further down, but we got the first one in. Yeah, Top Step released some numbers a while ago. They were horrible. Ask ChatGPT. Chainsaw. There's no way I would have gotten into that. Okay. I might close this down for the day because I'm unfunded on these ones. Okay, now what we're watching here, see if I want to get back in. Again, new 15-minute candle. It is making the wick. See, it's trading up first. Could almost probably put it down. Doesn't make, like, see, the idea is, does it make sense for this to railroad this entire 15? No, it doesn't. It makes more sense to sweep this. Okay, according to ChatGPT, and this is from Quant VPS. Actually, oh no, I don't want to. Oh, y'all seen all my other stuff. Percent of traders who pass prop firms. 5 to 10% of traders pass evaluation. One study of 300 accounts showed about 14%, higher than typical. Some firms like FTMO around 10% pass. Realistically, the industry average is 5 to 10%. Percent of traders who actually get a payout. 7% is the high, where some sources are 1 to 7%, depending on the rules. So out of 1,000 traders, 50 to 100 pass the evaluation, and 30 to 70 get a payout. So make sure you have an edge before you start doing prop firms. That's why we didn't jump in here, guys. That's why we closed out right here. It was actually right here, but on that first green. Wait for the state of delivery to change. Because just because it doesn't make sense that this is going to railroad doesn't mean it's not going to. I still think it's going to come up and trade back down and be an inside at this point. Okay, I'm going to close this up. I don't want to look at this anymore. No trades on an NQ today. I didn't like anything. I'm being super cautious with it because I had a bad day last Monday, so closed out Ninja Trader, closed out that. I wanted that to close right there, a little bit lower. So that's no entry for me. I honestly don't even know what my target is for the 5,000 account. I think $300. Not getting paid. Not an advertisement. 500. That's a lot. Oh, I guess I have 300 max loss. I thought I only had 200. Daily loss is 200, okay. Man, these groups from in, everyone is freaking crushing it. Everyone is crushing it. I know that people sometimes don't show their losers like I do, but But everyone's showing wins every day, so that's good. Know who I haven't heard from in a while is freaking Caps. I'll go check on him. I find it hard that it wants reversal on the dime right here, but it did hit that level that we were looking at. This is a weird swing point. We would think that it would come down here first, right? Take that out as a swing and then just reverse if more like this. If it's gonna reverse out of there, come down, sweep, come back up, make the third, make the fourth candle rather. For those of you just joining, we are 1 for 1 today. We took this. I could have held it out a little bit longer, but I felt like it was going to reverse. Got in at the close of that candle. Somewhere in here. It was like a 1-to-1 basically. I thought it was going to start reversing somewhere in here, and it did. It took a little bit sooner. Is there a way to show? Oh, there is. Look at that. There we go. Oh, it took a little further down than I thought. Okay. Just a 1.5. Little slippage on that. Okay, guys, something just came up. I'm going to end the stream now, but really appreciate you all hanging. I will see you all on Discord, and if you're new, like and subscribe. Appreciate y'all. See you later.